welcome to my YouTube channel, Vedic Astro Explained. We will start learning astrology by some fundamentals of astronomy, from where actually astrology comes into existence. In this module, we will be covering all these topics, and we are going to cover it in 7 lessons, as you can see. Let's start our first lesson. Why astrology is Earth-centric, not planet-centric? See, this idea is very fundamental because every astrological concept, houses, signs, ascendants, and planetary motion is based on observation from Earth, not from space. First question comes to our mind is how astronomy is different than astrology. In astronomy, we study celestial objects, space, and the universe as a whole, including galaxies, black holes, planets, stars, asteroids, comets, everything inside space. Whereas in astrology, we are only concerned with planets of our solar system and the celestial sphere, which we will understand later. But in astrology, we practice a claim that the position of moments of celestial bodies, which is sun, moon, planets, and stars, they influence us. They influence human beings. Okay, now you can see there are two models of solar system. First one is heliocentric, in which the sun is at the center, and the second one is geocentric, in which Earth is at the center. In heliocentric model, all the planets keep revolving around the sun, whereas in geometric model, all the planets appear to move around the Earth. It is not the real one. The real one is heliocentric, but the geocentric is an apparent motion. Apparent means what appears to be true, but may not be true. The heliocentric is the true one, but geocentric is from the Earth's point of view, whereas heliocentric is from the sun's point of view. Actual motion versus apparent motion. For example, the sun does not actually move around Earth. However, from Earth's perspective, the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west, and slowly move across the zodiac throughout the year. Astrology is concerned with this apparent motion because human experience itself is Earth-based. Our days, nights, seasons, and sense of time all are defined by celestial bodies appear to move from our location on Earth. Why Earth is the reference frame? If astrology were planet-centric, calculations would change depending on which planet we stand on. But astrology uses a single, fixed reference point, Earth, because all human observation happens from here. This is why the birth time and birth location are critical in astrology. The same planetary positions in space appear differently from different locations on Earth. Why this matters? Understanding that astrology is Earth-centric removes confusion and superstition. Astrology is not about planets influencing Earth from afar, but about interpreting celestial patterns as they appear from our perspective. This perspective is what connects astrology to astronomy, geometry, and time measurement. 12. In the next lesson, we will examine how Earth's rotation and revolution and see how they create the foundation of time, houses, and the movement of celestial bodies in astrology.